Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I love cooking with cast iron, but it does require some pretty specific TLC, but now I am completely covered in that respect thanks to this CARON and DOUCET Cast Iron Ultimate Care Kit. This kit comes with a cast iron soap, oil, and scrub. I used the oil successfully to re-season my favorite cast iron skillet, and it worked great. I simply spread a little bit of oil all over the surface of the pan, put it in the oven upside down for about an hour, and after it was cool in the oven, it had a beautiful seasoned glaze on it. Even with perfectly seasoned cast iron, some meals are just baked on by nature, so that's where I love to use the salt scrub. It gets rid of all those little stubborn, stuck-on bits of food. I think it's the perfect alternative as opposed to like a steel wool scrubby, since this steel wool can again remove your seasoning. Before I put any of my cast iron gear away now, I always use a little bit of the cast iron oil and just lightly spread it all over, and that keeps my seasoning ready for the next time I'm going to cook with it. If you love cooking with cast iron like I do and you want to keep it at its prime performing level and get the best out of it, well, I definitely think that you will benefit from this CARON and DOUCET cast iron care kit. And that's my point of view.